Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan. I am trying to get myself set up to see if I can get this darn tablet to do what I want it to do today. Oh my gosh, it's making me crazy. So, I am looking. Oh, I see me. So this is good. This is good. This is good. Let's see if I can see your comments today. So far so good. Except it's not doing what I want it to do. So give me 1 second. I have to put it back in its funky little stand. Sorry for my arm in the camera. Okay. Fingers crossed we're all going to work out fine. So here we go. Good morning. Hello, everybody. Oh, it's a good afternoon. Good afternoon. Happy free shipping day. Yay. Hi, Jane. Hi, Julie. I love free shipping day. And I did place a decent order this morning. Some of it was for some things I have coming up. My volume event is coming up, so I was gathering supplies for that. And for as a demonstrator, we get to pre-order something that you guys can pre-order in November, and it's so beautiful. So beautiful. If you went to the World Card Making Day, you got to see it. If you did not get over there, get over there. The link is somewhere here in my Facebook page. So go look for that. Hi, Crystal. Hi, Susan. So go look. You will see what it is. I am turning that into a card club kit. At least that's my plan. I don't know because I don't have it yet. But yeah, so very excited. Okay, so today's Tiny Tip Tuesday is going to be using one of my favorite sweets, the Season of Chic, which, you know, I'm actually not using any of these things in here, but I can't not show you the Season of Chic stamp set, and then the dies, which I keep in here because I love them. They are so cool. Love this piece especially. So I just wanted to make sure that I still showed them to you because they're cool. What I am using is I think these are called Season of Chic. Nope, Textured Chic, Memory and More cards and envelopes. Okay. Excuse me. So you guys have seen these. I know you've seen them because these are a couple of cards that I've made with you guys. I think I made both of these here on the page. So, okay. So there we go. And then, of course, the Memories and More card kits. What is this? Textured Chic, Memory and More cards. So, you know, this is a bunch of different size cards. And you can see I save everything. Look at that. I just save it because you never know when you're going to need it, right? Okay. So I'm going to be using this piece, which I already have pulled out. I'm going to be using this little love right here. And I'm using both of the cards that look like this. On the back, it's a really cool, like I think that's Blushing Bride. I'd have to look. So, and then the card and a beautiful envelope. So, here's what I'm going to do that's a little bit different. Now, this card is made to look like I've used it in the past. That this is the front. See on both of these, that's how I used it, right? The front of the card. But I'm going to be putting this on there. Why would I cover that up? So I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put it right there. And then the back of my card will be pretty, because why not? Or you could just use a whole different piece of basic white, but this is what I'm going to do with this. And this really is a really simple Tiny Tip Tuesday because it's going to be an easy peasy card that you can make with just the cards and envelopes pack and then the cards pack. And you will end up with a ton of these card things left for your scrapbooking or for other card making. You guys have seen me do things where I fold them in half and make note cards. So I just used a little bit of our liquid adhesive. And again, I love the liquid adhesive because it lets you like get everything in place. Gives you a second to move it around. And of course, the beautiful envelope. Oops. So, again, I'm going to mention this like every few minutes. Today is free shipping. That's saving 11%, you guys. 11%. That adds up, especially because, like, it's not, I know this isn't true for every state, but in Michigan, you have to pay taxes on your shipping. So you're actually saving a little bit more because you don't have to pay taxes on whatever that shipping is. So remember, you shop at MemoryINKers.com. That's my Stampin' Up! Website. MemoryINKers@gmail.com is my email. If you're ordering under $150, then use this hostess code, T as in Tom, 2, C as in cat, Y as in yes, 626M as in MemoryINKers, which is me. So, anyway, I just don't want you guys to forget free shipping because I like free. Free is my favorite price of all. So, hopefully I didn't just drop something on the floor, because my lighting, again, is not so great today. Okay, so what I did was, remember I said I used 2 of these? I fussy cut out all of the pieces. And they look a little funky because I was trying to save them. You only get 2, so I couldn't, I had to be careful. And then I am going to take, this is a piece of So Saffron and a piece of Soft Succulent, because I thought it kind of matched. And I'm going to mat these 2 together. Now this already says love, so I didn't have to do this. But I like this pretty love right here, because it's got the shiny foil letters. So I'm just going to put that on there because I want it to stand out when I put it on the card, which I'm going to put right there. After I put all these pieces together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave everything there, right? And I'm going to put these pieces all back together. And you know, I think you guys have seen me do this before, where I will take a dimensional and put it at the top, and then I'll take the glue and I will add it down here where it's going to end up underneath stuff. So it kind of gives it like a crooked ear dimension. Crooked ear? That's not a good word. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, Crystal. I just wanted to see if you were awake. Okay, this one goes over here. So I'm just kind of laying it right on top of where the other one sat. And I'm pressing down here. Let me hold it for a minute. And then I am going to zoom in so you guys can, I think, see how it's slanted and it's down this way and puffy there. Okay, so let me go. Woo! Sorry, I'm yelling at you, I'm scaring you, and I'm giving you vertigo. It's bugging me right now. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I'm going to do the other leaf because they are behind the flower, right? So I kind of have to, you have to think about how you're going to put it together. I'm going to put another one there. You could put more, but I like that it kind of flattens out a little bit better. Okay, so where I'm putting the adhesive is where I know it's going to be behind stuff. All right. I could put a little right here too. I will just for fun. And same thing. I'm going to line it up. You could offset it, but then, you know, this is going to look weird. So unless you like tucked it behind something, which could be fun, I suppose. Let me see if I can do that. I don't know. I think that's pretty much stuck in there. Why not? We're gonna see if we can get this to work. You know me, I like to change plans at the last minute. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna stick it down here, because it'll then be behind that flower. Okay. So see, now I've got even more unusual because now I have a leaf back there. I just thought of that, you guys. Sorry. Now I have to look at my flowers, and this one is behind this one, which is behind, they're both behind this one. So I have to go the brownish, the pinkish, the yellowish. That's how they have to go in place. This time, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a few more dimensionals on it because I want to be sure. Hang on, I want to make sure I know what I'm talking about. It's going to go like that. So I should probably scoot this one over, put one there. And then I'm going to put the adhesive on this edge. Okay. This really will help your cards have some dimension. You can, if you want to, you can change them up. Should I? Should I change them up? Let's go for it. Let's get weird. I don't know how this is going to come out now, you guys. Let's just get weird. Okay. On the fly. Hi, Linda. Okay, so now I've completely covered up the love, so I can decide if I want to do that one or not. I could totally leave it off. But now I'm going to do this thing. The thing still applies because this is cut off funny. So it still applies that I have to watch where things go, right? So again, we're going to put on some more dimensionals. I'm going to hold on to this end because I know that's where it's going to go down. Okay. And I'm going to put this one, I want to see that brown one back there. So I'm going to put that one kind of like that. Now, finally, on the bottom one, I can put all the dimensionals I want, but I want to keep it away from like lifting up these. So I'm going to kind of put them through the center. I hope that makes sense, what I just said. So I've got them like that. And then I just want to make sure I'm covering up where the flowers are sort of messed up. Now this did cause a little bit of an issue right here because that leaf is kind of cut off, but you don't notice it too much, I don't think. So now what it needs is it needs some bling, right? We always need bling. And since there's gold in there, I am grabbing my go-tos, maybe. This is my box of bling, you guys. And I have everything in there. There they are. I love champagne rhinestones. You guys probably know that. Love them, love them, love them. I tend to grab them for so many things. It's craziness. So it needs that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the love up there. You don't really need to, though. I mean, you don't have to, but since I have it ready, I'm going to go ahead and... Okay, maybe I'll ask you guys. Hi, Diane. So put the love on or don't. You know what I could do? I could tuck the love in. Nope, don't like that either. It would cover up my mistake, though, if I did something like that. No, I'm going to leave it off for now. You guys tell me if you think I should add the love. I'm thinking up here. Okay, so no love, upper love, lower love. Or show me no love at all. All right, so now I'm just going to grab some of these. I'm going to use some of the big ones on the top one. And I'm running low. Look at this. I tend to grabby, grabby. They're sticking to my fingers because I have liquid glue on my fingers. Okay. That one's too little. Move that one under here. And I'll give this a medium. No, yep, a medium one. Keep sticking to my fingers. You guys have that happen with liquid glue? You like the upper corner, Crystal? Okay, you're the first one to answer, so you win. So I'm just going to use some dimensionals, of course. You got to use some dimensionals. And did I mention free shipping today? Well, I'm so excited. I love free shipping days. I know people are like, what's the big deal with free shipping? Because you can get it with Amazon Prime, right? I know. But shipping has gotten so expensive, not just with Stampin' Up, but with most places, unless you pay for a premium like you do with Prime. I have Prime. Even though you're getting like you're getting the Amazon Prime television, you're also paying for the free shipping. And I will tell you that there have been times when Prime's free shipping isn't free shipping. You still have to pay. So anyway, yeah, shipping costs, nobody likes them, but there they are. Okay, so I have 4 pieces of bling on here, and you know that you can't do that. You have to have an uneven number. So I am going to add some just around. So there's 1. So that makes it uneven. And then I'll stick one there. And now I need another one to keep it still uneven. So there we go. So just another way to use this awesome set here with all of these cool cards and things. And you see I saved it. I remember I did a project and I cut this off. And I saved it. And you get all these big cards and little cards. And it's great for scrapbooking. You know, we have the Memories and More scrapbooking kits. So I didn't want to forget to tell you guys that. But there's like a ton. And there's a lot of stickers and labels. Oh my gosh, I haven't even used these. Ah! I'm going to have to make sure I make some more cards. So you've not seen the last of this, have you? It's in the annual catalog, so it's going to be around for a little while. But anyway, there is my Tiny Tip Tuesday. Cut things up, play with them. And you saw on the fly, my original plan was seriously to just put them over exactly where they were. But I think this is kind of fun, and it spread out the flowers a little bit more. And sure, if you look real hard, you can see that that leaf isn't quite right. But leaves do sometimes tear. Maybe a little leaf bug chewed on it a little bit. Don't know. But there it is. So don't forget to share this video with your friends so that you can be in a drawing. Oh, shoot, the drawing. The drawing. Hang on. I got him. Hang on. I got him. I am pulling. Susan Lube, you are the winner. I'm sending you something. I don't know what yet, but you're going to get it. So thank you for sharing last month, Susan. So don't forget, if you share this video, to comment below that you shared, and I will go and comment where you've shared it, because it usually tells me so-and-so shared. And I will thank you for sharing, and that way you'll know you're official. If you are seeing this on someone else's share or on my YouTube channel, which is also MemoryINKers, I go live at facebook.com/MemoryINKers. Again, free shipping today. Free shipping. So go shopping and save yourself that 11% shipping, because that would be cool. At least for me, I like to share. I like free. Also, it is Taco Tuesday on a Tuesday. So it's Taco Day or something, and it's Tuesday. So we're having tacos for dinner. Are you guys? So thanks for watching. I'm glad that you were here, and I will see you soon. Bye, everybody.